Welcome! In this brief video, we'll walk you through the basic components of the Wisdo user experience. Wisdo's user experience was designed from the ground up to drive high engagement levels and tailor journeys for each user. Our success in achieving and continuously improving on this promise is evident in our high rating, having 1.8 million users ages 18 to 80, with 94% saying they would recommend Wisdo to others. Once a user downloads Wisdo, they register by providing an email or phone number and typing their name, or if they prefer, an alias. We then ask them to select a primary community. Wisdo offers 30-plus communities organized by topics such as mental health, chronic disease, or self-growth. Then instead of sending them into a community with thousands of people, which is what peer support platforms normally do, we take the time to build a comprehensive profile. This then allows us to connect them with others who have been in their shoes, and as we'll explain later, continuously apply our AI technology to track their progress and steer them towards better health. Here's how we do this. If, for instance, a user chooses to join the anxiety community, they're presented with key steps in that journey. For each step, users choose Been There or There Now. As they make their decision, they can see how many other Wisdo users share those same steps. This experience is identical across all communities. Here are some steps that users who join the diabetes community are asked to choose from. On average, users share 18 steps, providing us with a wealth of data on their life experiences. Next, we ask them to pick 3 goals they want to accomplish while using Wisdo. These goals correlate both to the specific community they selected as well as their unique journey. Now, armed with in-depth understanding of each user, we're ready to deploy our AI engine to improve their social health and track their progress. One of Wisdo's key value propositions is our ability to leverage the unique data users share with us to connect them with peers who have been in their shoes, have shared life experiences, and are ready and eager to help. Let's see how this works. For example, this is Amanda. She and I shared 33 steps based on our onboard. I can click on her name and read her story. She's 20 years old, studies psychology, is passionate about mental health advocacy, and struggles with anxiety like me. As a user, I can look up the steps that any member has been through and start a conversation. In this example, I'll send Amanda a message and wait for her reply. On average, users build 5 new connections within the first week, and 60% of users engage in a one-on-one conversation within minutes of joining Wisdo. Together, they result in long engagement cycles, where 75% of users are still engaged after 6 months, and 22% visit Wisdo daily. Another layer of support that we provide to our users are weekly sessions run by our certified life coaches. These text-based and video sessions are open to all users. Users attend these sessions to engage with our coaches, ask questions, share their own reflections, and connect with other members. Goal setting and achievement play a critical role in Wisdo's user experience. We provide customized daily recommendations to each user on how to best attain their goals. In addition, we periodically check in with users to examine their progress. If users indicate that they're still working towards a goal, we offer them several opportunities, including chatting with Wisdo members who have achieved the same goal, reading success stories from other users, and connecting with a Wisdo coach. And, depending on their insurance provider or services offered by our healthcare partners, to connect them via telehealth with a support service or clinician. Wisdo's AI engine continuously analyzes the variety of data shared by users on the platform. This process allows us to predict where a member is heading and proactively push information on specific services, interventions, and educational resources available through our partners. Since open rates on Wisdo are exceedingly high at 40 to 60%, this is an effective strategy to leverage unique data and AI to identify and effectively act on opportunities to improve patient engagement, adherence, and health outcomes. Studies show that helping others is one of the most therapeutic and social health-building activities that a person can engage in. Wisdo users who have been ranked as extremely helpful by others on the platform and meet the necessary criteria are invited to become Wisdo helpers. Today, Wisdo has 20,000 helpers who are helping to support our members. You can see examples of helpers on my one-on-one screen. This includes Lorraine L. She gets matched with me when I become a helper in order to mentor me through what this role entails, offer training materials, and ensure that I understand that I am not allowed or equipped to give out medical or clinical advice of any kind. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Please don't forget to check out our other videos about our client-facing dashboard and tools about how we ensure safety on the platform.